Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about 4 different e.l.f. mascaras that I bought, and I'm going to tell you guys the difference of the mascara and what I like and what I don't like. This one is the old formula of e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara, and I absolutely love this mascara, and I don't think that they sell it anymore, or I don't know. I know that they changed the formula, and I'll show you guys the second mascara is going to be the same name but different formula. But in my opinion, this is a better one. Look how nice that looks. I don't have any falsies or anything like that. This is just the mascara, and I did 2 coats on my eye. Alright guys, so this is the new formula. It's still the same name. It's called Volume Plumping Mascara Black. And I do not like this new one. I'm so bummed, guys, because the first one was so good. And so this one, the reason why I don't like it is because when I try to remove it, it's like I have to like use my fingers to like remove it. Like it's like clumpy. And this spoolie is a little shorter than the original one. I really honestly do not like this mascara at all. You guys will see the difference once I start applying this mascara on. It separates my lashes a bit and it doesn't really give me the length. I mean, obviously you're going to see a little length with compared to the one that I don't have. But do you see the lump right there? Look towards your right. And you see how it's like lumpy? Trying to take that off was a pain in the hiney. It felt like glue and it wasn't glue. And you see like it really wasn't too much of a difference with my other eye. Okay guys, so this one is funny and you'll see in a minute why I'm saying it's funny. It's called Lash Extending Mascara and I was so happy to try it because I can see on the package that the spoolie is smaller. But when I open it up, it didn't come with the spoolie and you're going to see my reaction when I pull the... You see that? Look at my face. It was so funny. I'm like, wait a minute. I was super upset because I really wanted to show you guys like how it worked. And I wanted to know how it worked as well because I like small spoolies, especially for my bottom lashes. All right, so moving on to this one is 3-in-1 Very Black mascara. And it is one of the ones that have like the ball in the top of the spoolie. I always have issues with these. I actually did not have an issue with this for my top lashes, but the bottom lashes I did a little bit. See, isn't it cute? I like the way that it looks, but it is a pain in the hiney when you're trying to put it on your bottom lashes. And you'll see that I kind of like put a little bit of mascara like on my skin. But alrighty guys, so I'm so sorry, but this is it for my video. I was hoping that it would be a little longer, but you know, short and sweet. I'll see you guys next week.